Curious about trading with gold? Use this expert consultancy. Gold has been a central component of global finance for a lot of centuries. Are you looking to find out more on gold investments in order to ensure an effective portfolio? From buying raw gold to buying shares in companies, there are so many facts you must think about. Read on this post to teach yourself about gold as being an investment vehicle. Before buying or selling gold, know how precious metal prices work. Precious metal prices can fluctuate a lot. Check the markets daily, particularly when setting up a transaction. You also will need to pay over melt value, but you will sell below melt value. Be sure you research any gold broker you work with. You need to employ a reputable gold broker. You will see how various dealers handle customer complaints by viewing online reviews and contacting the BBB, Better Business Bureau. There is a better possibility of receiving the maximum price for your gold if you obtain bids from a variety of gold buyers. Why not make money selling your gold to online buyers? You don't need to go to a jewelry store or pawn shop. You can get and sell your gold at some online. These sites will send you kits for which you can send them your gold items. They will likely compensate you their standard per ounce price for your personal gold. You might sell gold melted down or as being a jewelry item. Most pawn shops and gold buyers will get your gold jewelry for melt value. Selling your distinct gold pieces to some collector can turn out netting you more income. Gold money can be quite a good resource when you need to get gold. It is quite similar to opening a gold banking account. You merely establish your account, deposit funds and receive an assignment of gold that matches the value of your bank account. The gold resides within a bank. Following that, you may sell it off or do a number of other stuff with it. Ensure you know exactly what you have. Not precisely what looks like gold may be worth its weight inside it. Other metals are often combined with gold so that you can provide strength. This may make the price a good deal lower. So, too, can things that are simply gold-plated. Buy your items appraised before selling your gold. Look into the market price of gold before you make an attempt to sell yours. You ought to see what other pieces like yours have sold for. Achieving this will provide you with a helpful price to function around. It is recommended to request a slightly higher price so that you can negotiate with the buyer. When with a gold party, talk with the rep about how they make the determination in the carats of the jewelry being sold. Could it be in accordance with the stamp? But in other cases, there isn't any mark of visual cue, so the reps have other options for determining it. One easy way to do this is to use the acid test. Should your rep does this, he may well be a novice in the market. Before you decide to sell some jewelry for scrap, have the piece appraised first. This is especially vital for unique pieces with detailed craftsmanship. While you may get charged a tiny fee, it may get you more cash afterwards. An appraiser may have a friend who provides you with an effective price for your jewelry items. You must remember that even when a complete component of jewelry will not be solid gold, the backs of earrings or clasps may be. In many cases, ring bands as well as the clasps of necklaces are real gold too. Try to sell pieces such as these like a lot, since those pieces are fairly lightweight. Selling in quantity increases your profit. Never sell gold to your dealer or store with checking their ratings using the BBB first. They'll have basic resources for you, including reviews and complaints off their customers. Take a close look at complaints, and find out if resolution was achieved. If you see many complaints, then you will want to get another business. Sort your gold by the number of carats it can be. When you get to the weighing process in the sale, the seller may try to trick you by weighing everything together at the lowest carat weight. This, needless to say, brings about fewer dollars to suit your needs. Instead, separate each carat weight before seeing the dealer. Be sure you know the buyback policy of the seller. While many tend not to add additional selling fees, others do. Consider the logistics of sending bulky coins or bars of gold to dealers away from state. It will always be advisable to hold to the gold you buy to ultimately ensure its safety. A sensible way to put money into gold is to find American gold coins minted ahead of 1933. President Roosevelt recalled all gold coinage in 1933. Until that point, these were used in daily commerce. Not all people turned them in, though, and kept them instead, making them valuable collector's items today. Be sure you are getting what you think you are receiving through your purchase. There are lots of gold-plated coins on the market. Should you consult with a licensed gold appraiser prior to buying a gold coin, there is no doubt of their purity. Prior to deciding to sell, monitor the gold price. Gold prices fluctuate every day, so it may be difficult to decide once the time is directly to sell. You need to have a knack for your modifications and pulse of the price, as it goes up and down. Before you sell, it is worthwhile to keep watch over prices. Weigh your jewelry by carat. Like that you get a correct assessment of all that your piece is worth. Gold, which is 24 karat, holds a better value than 18K, 14K or 10K gold. There is a lot more to buying gold than you knew prior to deciding to read this article. Now you should be prepared to generate a smart choice as to whether gold is for you. Take advantage of this advice to turn your portfolio in a money maker.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.